I'm sure you have heard, a house is not a home unless it gives peace and relaxation to the mind as well as the body. In other words, a beautiful and well-designed home is very essential to feel cheerful and relaxed. And one of the most important things that creates a beautiful aura is attractive and well-painted walls that enhance the grace of your home. Whether it's your living room, kitchen, hallway, or entire house, nicely painted walls complement their beauty and delight us. But then, various factors like damp or moist walls, bad selection of paints, improper surface preparation, dust particles, stains by children, rain or other climatic conditions can spoil the charm of your home and make you feel ashamed in front of friends and family. So, to ensure properly conditioned and flawless walls, we should follow some regular habits like protecting walls from moisture, keeping an eye on children, selecting good quality paints, hiring a professional painter, and many others. Nonetheless, all these tips are just not enough to ensure the complete cleanliness of our walls. So, to overcome these problems in a hassle-free manner, we should get the help of professional and skilled painting experts who perform every task with complete ease and confidence. But choosing the right painters to leave a lasting impression on your relatives and friends is not an easy task. Don't worry, our dedicated professionals can provide the best advice that will save time and money, as well as give you an unforgettable experience. From accurate estimates to proper time scheduling and helping you to select the best colors and designs for your home decor, we deliver the best painting experience in the industry. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, our team is committed to providing timely, professional, and dependable interior and exterior painting services. Additionally, our services include interior painting, exterior painting, specialty painting, drywall repairs, power washing, color consultations with an interior designer, and deck sealing. For a free consultation, please call us now or send us an email. You can rest assured, we will make your home more beautiful and elegant.